In the name of Lord Ganesh, we'll try to see the magic of ruling planets. This is a case of pick up and drop mechanic which happened in the last time. Last time the querent had called me at 9:53 in the morning on Thursday because his car was taken on Tuesday evening. He expected it to be delivered by Wednesday evening. It didn't happen, so morning he was apprehensive on Thursday. He called me. I gave him two timings. One is post noon and one is evening, which didn't happen. So obviously the first one did not happen. The second one got fruitified, but I was not aware about it. So I was apprehensive on Thursday. At 5:30, I cast a chart. If you see 5:30, I cast a chart myself. The rule remains the same. Lagna remains in a sign for 2 hours. That is, it takes 4 minutes to travel 1 degree, which I had already explained to you all. We have to take the ruling planets. The ascendant lord is Venus. The ascendant nakshatra lord is Rahu, Venus Rahu. Moon sign lord is Mercury. And nakshatra lord is Sun, Mercury Sun, and the day lord is Jupiter. So since Venus and Rahu are in the current transit, we will not take them. So we'll take Jupiter, Mercury, and Sun. Here the rule changes. I didn't explain it in the last video because till you don't get a practical example, it is difficult to understand and comprehend. So here I have waited for it. So luckily we get Rahu as a ruling planet. So once Rahu comes as a ruling planet or appears as ruling planet, Rahu and Ketu being the nodes, they are Chhayagrahas. Okay, so whenever they appear, the nodes act as agents of the sign it is placed in. There are three rules: planets it is placed with, and the planets they are aspected by. So we'll try to understand that first. So what more planets are going to come because of Rahu? Because Rahu is an agent of them. The sign it is placed in. Now Rahu is placed in Aries. If you see one here, so it is ruled by Mars. So Mars will come into picture now. Additionally, planets it is placed with Sun. So Sun will come, which is already there. The planets it is aspected by. So all the planets have 7th aspects. So no planet is aspecting Rahu. Additionally, Mars has 4th and 8th aspect. Let us check Mars. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not aspecting Rahu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is not aspecting Rahu. We'll take Jupiter. Jupiter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its 5th aspect is not aspecting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is not aspecting in the 9th aspect also. And take Saturn 1, 2, 3. So it is aspecting Rahu. So Saturn will come into play. So additionally, now we have Venus, Rahu, Mercury, Sun, Jupiter, and Mars and Saturn. So we'll go ahead. So Lagna is currently transiting Rahu Nakshatra at 194.13 Libra. Fine. So you have got what I am trying to say. The driver should arrive in the next nakshatra in the ruling planet. So since after Rahu in the sequence of Vimshottari Dasha you have Guru, that is Jupiter. So it should happen in Jupiter's nakshatra. So driver should arrive in the next nakshatra in the ruling planet, that is Guru. Lagna will move to Guru at 6:15 in 45 minutes from that point. That is 5:30. Since the car has been taken for servicing in the afternoon, it is unlikely that he will arrive at 6:15, which he said he is going to arrive. But I just give that time. Now we'll have to move to Saturn. We'll take another one now. So it will move to Saturn after that, which is by virtue of Rahu gets into the ruling planet list. Because of Rahu, it gets into the ruling planet list. Lagna will move into Saturn nakshatra at 7:08. That is 7:08 p.m. and will be there for about 53 minutes till 8:1 p.m. So Lagna in Saturn nakshatra will be between 7 minutes, 7 hours 8 minutes in the evening, and till 8 hours 1 minute in the evening. The pickup drop mechanic arrives at 7:36 exactly and drops it within this time. So the ruling planet magic and the Rahu being the agent of these planets and how that also has to be considered is seen here. Hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you very much.